Sit comfortably with legs closed. Keep your spine stretched and shoulders released. Take slow, deep breaths. Stand, stretch and slowly bend forward. Let your head release and feel the stretch in your back and legs. Breathe deeply and stay comfortable. Sound down with the feet steady part, bringing your palms together in front of your chest. Keep your back stretched and breathe slowly. Bring your palms together in front of your chest. Keep your back stretched and breathe slowly. Sit with legs extend forward. Bend slowly from the hips and stretch toward your legs. Do not force the stretch. Stay released. Lie on your stomach and place your hands near your shoulders. Slowly lift your chest upward. Keep your eyebrows soft and breathe gently. Step one leg back and lower your kidney. Hold the back foot gently to stretch the thing. Keep your chest open and breathe calmly. Bend your knee and hold your ankles. Lift your chest and legs together. Balance your body and breathe smoothly. Kneel down and gently bend backward. Open your chest and place your hands on your heels or lower back. Breathe deeply and stay steady. released your body and mind. Thank you for practicing yoga with us.